welcome back to Secrets of
Real Estate.
Mom, we're doing it together.
Oh, we are? I thought you was going to make me say it. All right, go ahead.
Hey guys, and welcome back to
Secrets of Real Estate.
And today's topic is about, go ahead,
Submitting the offer.
submitting an offer.
Submitting an offer. So when you get to the table and you're now submitting the offer because you see a nice house that you like.
Yes, you have officially found the house or the property. That's when you have your agent draw up the offer. They're going to submit an offer for you to the seller's agent.
Make sure that that contract has the house address correctly. I've had times that, they do make a mistake on the house address, and that will be a nightmare closing on the wrong house.
Yeah, you don't want that mistake. So make sure the address is correct on the offer that you are submitting.
Yeah, make sure your name is correct.
In the seller's name.
Yes.
The seller's
name is correct
and
too.
your name needs to be correct on the offer.
Right. See if they're giving you some closing costs. You might want to ask for a little closing cost, seller to pay for you.
Yeah, closing costs typically ranges from 3.5% to 4% of the sales price, right?
I say about from three. Some lenders allow 4.
I just pushed for just worst case scenario, so 4% of the sales price. You want to try to get the seller to pay some of that closing costs.
She's pushing hard.
Yeah.
That's your realtor.
Or all of it.
Your realtor is pushing really hard. So, inspection. You want to put an inspection contingency on there. So if you want to have an inspection on the property, you have about how many days?
7 days.
Yeah, 7 days.
But if you're trying to win the offer, you want to make less days as possible on that contingency, right?
Right. I mean, if you're trying to win the offer, but if you don't have any competition, then you can go ahead and put the 7 days in. Have your own inspector come out. You pick this guy or girl and come out and inspect the property.
Yeah.
Make sure, tell you guys that you better make sure of that in those 7 days that you're done with your inspection and you're coming back to the seller and say, hey, I need this repaired or that repaired in those 7 days.
Right.
Do not go over those 7 days. Your earnest money is in jeopardy.
Yeah, so you don't want to lose out on your earnest money, so you want to make sure you get the house inspected within those contingency days.
Make sure you hit the link below with our courses on how to do real estate.
And we're going to teach you step by step. We're breaking it down for you on how to invest into real estate and all of our real estate secrets.
Yep. And we're doing it very slowly so you can understand. We're not going to speed you through it. You're going to love it.
Start your journey with us and go ahead and sign up for our courses.
Yeah, you want to also, when you're making that offer, think about a home warranty. You can ask the seller to pay for a home warranty for you. You sure can.
Or a termite letter.
Yeah.
Right?
Ask for the permit letter. Yeah. That'll be nice to have. So, yeah, try to ask for that too.
So, guys, you have to watch this full video because we're doing a free giveaway. So, watch the whole video so you can know what we're giving away.
Guys, remember the pre-qualification letter we talked about? Now's the time that you need it. And aren't you so happy that you did that?
And you are ahead of the game because you have found your house. And this is why it's important to get pre-qualified ahead of time before you search for your home. You don't want to miss out on your house.
You don't want to be scrambling for a pre-qualification letter when they have 3 and 4 offers on a house waiting for them. A seller's not going to be like, oh, well, Marshall, we're going to wait for you to get your pre-qualification letter before we make a decision on 10 offers that we have laying on the table. That's not going to work, okay?
No, they're not going to wait on you.
You have to be ready for when opportunity hits. Yeah.
Okay, so stay ahead of the game, get pre-qualified, be ready. Guess what time it is? It's giveaway time!
Yeah!
We're doing a free giveaway, guys, and tell them what the giveaway is about.
So I'm giving away the first 3 chapters of my book, Make Millions with Pre-Foreclosure Properties. And in that book is a short sale book. It teaches you how to do short sales. So that would help a lot in getting your properties at a lower price.
And to get your free book, click the link in the description box and we'll have a link to the ebook so you can retrieve your prize. Right. Alright guys, that concludes our video for submitting an offer to purchase a property.
Yeah.
So we want you to like, comment, and
Subscribe.
and let us know what other real estate videos you'd like for us to do.